what if I want to put it in a precise position relative to another object? So I can go to Object, Align, and Distribute, and you see that this menu comes out. So I can just select my group and this shape, and then I can have some options here. So I can choose to align my object relative to the selection area, and you see that I can move them in a really precise position. For example, I can center my group of circles vertically and horizontally for this rectangle. But what if I want to select and align my shapes to the whole area of my design, so to my page? So I can just select Page here, and you will see that all of the objects are moving and that they are centered in the page. Here you have a lot of options, like it's typical in Inkscape. Like you can choose to align one object to the last one selected, or to the first one, to the biggest one, the smallest one. And then also, when you have many objects, you can also choose to distribute the space between one and another. Then there are also some automatic functions of Inkscape, like rearrange the objects